There are several different visas to choose from here in Panama.
A beautiful neighborhood here, beautiful independent houses.
We're here. Checking in to our next Airbnb was an absolute joy. We rolled the dice and rode with an Airbnb that was brand new. And these guys really rolled out the red carpet for us. Scented candles throughout the apartment, the refrigerator was stocked with beverages, and they gave a really good orientation to the area that we were moving into, with tons of different suggestions. This was really a high-level Airbnb, and we really appreciated these guys. This comes as a strong recommendation from the Yarbros. Check them out in the description.
We're at the Gran terminal at Albrook because we're scoping out our tickets for tomorrow's trip to Coronado. Don't really know where to start. It's a huge terminal, so we're just gonna get in there and find where we need to get our tickets.
Welcome to Gran Terminal Transportation Hub, able to connect you to any destination in Panama and quite a few destinations beyond. All right, so we went to the high-end mall, you guys, so now we're about to go to the People's Mall and see what the vibe is. Off the bat, we happy, y'all. They still got a dollar store. And it's what?
AC.
Oh. Look, this is the People's Mall, baby. This mug is packed. Oh my God. But you know, not the high-end luxury stores, but a lot of nice stores out here, man. Your Zara, your Kenneth Cole, you know, all the stores of the people. It's packed though, baby. We came to the station the day before and knew that purchasing our ticket would be a piece of cake. But when it came to navigating this station and boarding the actual Colectivo van, it was a complex recipe. We did not find out until it was time for our Colectivo van to board that we had to purchase a Rappi Pass. And then we had to put money on the Rappi Pass. Two separate incidences that had us running all over this terminal to accomplish. But we made it, we made our Colectivo van, and now it's time to head into Coronado. Yes, y'all. To the beach, y'all. We're in a new city in Panama, y'all.
Yes, we are in Gorgona, Panama.
This is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful city. We're really glad to be here. As you guys saw, Panama City was pretty cool, and our exit from Panama City was not smooth.
Oh yeah, I mean, we didn't know what kind of bus we'd get on, and ended up being a van, but it did the trick. We got here.
So we're here for a couple of reasons, you guys. One primary reason is to show you guys some different places you can retire here in Panama.
Another reason we're here is because we secured a house sit.
Hey, another one. This one though is a little bit different from the last.
Oh man, yeah. So this one is 3 dogs and 8 cats.
Yeah, this might prove to be a bit challenging. I'm hoping that the house does not smell like animal, but it comes with some perks too. The owners wanted us to come here early just to make sure that we were in place, and they had an extra place.
Right, they have a condo here that they own.
On the beach.
And a house that they rent, which is where all the animals are and where they're staying currently. So it's a perfect setup. Whenever they have the need of sitters, those sitters can come up early or stay later or stay between sits in their condo.
So we're excited to be here, excited to show it to you guys. But we also wanted to start dropping some science about what it takes to live here in Panama. This is one of the premier destinations in the world. We're gonna say in all of Central America, but in the world. This is I believe a few lists have these guys ranked as the #1 retirement destination in the world. So we're excited to kind of show you guys this place, show you guys Panama, and tell you why this is one of the premier destinations in all of the world. So there are a few different citizenships, residencies that you can apply for here in Panama.
The visas, most of which have to do with some sort of investments. There's the self-economic solvency visa.
There's the reforestation investment visa.
There's also the friendly nations visa.
Then there's the business investment visa. And of course there's retirement pension visa. You need to be bringing in $1,000 per month, and you can be between the ages of 18 and 2022.
And there's the classic getting married to a Panamanian visa.
All the remaining visas are
investment visas.
They want the Skrilla, y'all. They want that money to invest in their country.
Yep.
So those were the hows. Now let's talk about the whys. We were excited to stumble upon the city of Gorgona. This is a beautiful green space located right next to the ocean. This area is right next to an expat haven, though it does not boast a lot of expats. So you get access to high-level international schools, paved roadways, nice homes without paying an exclusive price. And you're in the proximity of many Western amenities. It's a beautiful residential area. We're in Nueva Gorgona. These houses are very affordable. This is right next to an expat area called Coronado. What's up, bro? Okay, I hear you. And like everywhere, all the dogs always want to be all up in the videos. But it's a beautiful little place, man. If you love green spaces, this is it.
Literally like 10 minutes down the street from Coronado, and that's where a lot of other expats are. A beautiful neighborhood here, beautiful independent houses on their own lots. Lots of personality within the houses and lots of beautiful plant life out here as well. It kind of reminds me of like some parts of Georgia. My great-grandparents lived in Georgia, and a piece of this area reminds me of that. It looks like families reside here, and they take care of their property.
Just wanted to let y'all know, it's pretty chill back here, man. Pretty chill.
A special thank you to our patrons. and to everyone who has been with us on this journey to find a place to call home. Whether you've been with us for a bit or you're new to the channel, we have been looking for a place to settle and to call home, and our goal is 100 countries until we start to make that decision.
We're in Panama right now, and we're really enjoying this country. This is one of the safest countries we've been in so far in Central America and North America. This is a spectacular journey, you guys. It's challenging putting everything together, but again, we just want to say thank you guys for being with us as we do this damn thing. Looking for a place to call home, man. Well worth it.
Alright guys, so you're gonna have to forgive us for any of the noise that you hear. We are in front of the ocean right now.
Pacific is rude. See, we out here shooting a video and she just roaring in the background. But it was too nice to sit in the house, you guys. It's a beautiful day here in Panama. And one of the things we wanted to talk about was different residencies and visas around the world. As an insurance policy, we want to recommend, suggest, you definitely, if you can, try to get you a secondary citizenship, visa, residency elsewhere than your home country.
Exactly, and that's why when we were in Mexico, we went back and forth on whether we were going to pursue the path to residency there. Ultimately, we decided against residency in Mexico, but not the idea of having residency in general.
Straight facts, y'all. As you guys know, we are on a quest to see 100 countries.
Right, before we decide where in the world we're gonna settle down. And
Period.
Right now, we're at 20.
So we got 80 more countries to roll to. So first off, thank y'all for rolling with us. We told you earlier, we ain't never gonna stop saying it, man. Thank you. We appreciate you guys riding with the Yarbros. Straight up. Secondary, we really strongly recommend getting that alternative citizenship, residency visa, because this world is just uncertain, y'all. It's crazy out here. What's most important, you guys, is that you get in where you fit in. Get in where you fit in. Get in where you fit in. We'll be heading to a country soon here who has a very low bar to get residency in their country. We gotta make $800 per month. They use USD, and it's a pretty affordable country as I understand it, so.
Out of all the places we've gotten to explore in Central America, I can say that we feel pretty safe here. At least in the places that we've been. Now I know, like, we crossed over to some sketchy areas and saw a lot of low-income areas that just didn't look the best while we were in Panama City, but we never felt like we were in danger.
I have to say, I think this is one of the most diverse places I've been, period, flat out and point blank. I see many different hues of black here. I see many different people here. I've met people from Israel, Pakistan, Canada, just all over the world, guys. Peru, Chile. We've met a lot of different people here, and they were all friendly, and it was a true melting pot, not a salad. People didn't stay in their own little individual little areas. They didn't mind mingling, inviting us to their homes, and really having good conversations with us. So this is one of the most diverse areas that I've been, and it's rich with expats everywhere.
Gotta mention the food. I mean, if the food is not worth eating in a place, should you really go? Would you really enjoy yourself? I know for us, we love food. Now, the Panamanian food is good, but a perk about having such a diverse culture is that you have diverse cuisines and restaurants all around the country.
Now let's talk about that environment, y'all. You have city life, you have country life, you have uber rural life that still has your Western amenities there. So there's a wide variety of different lifestyles and climates to choose from here in Panama. So that's another plus on the Y side.